This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making tofu in chili bean sauce. There are many different types of tofu. The three that are commonly found in our supermarkets and wet markets are the soft silken tofu, mainly used for soups and steaming; the firm tofu, usually used for stir frying or braising; and the deep fried tau pok, which is the most versatile. You can use it for steaming, stir frying, braising. You can also stuff it, toast it, and use it in your salads. But for today, we'll be using some firm tofu. Cut your firm tofu in half horizontally. Then into quarters. I find it easier to cut the tofu in quarters first. Then halve it. But cutting it horizontally first makes for a better YouTube video. Put your cut up tofu onto a piece of kitchen towel to remove some of the excess water. Also, place another piece of kitchen towel on top of it and press down gently to remove even more excess water. For the aromatics, we'll need 4 slices of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic that's roughly chopped, and 1 tablespoon of chili bean paste or douban jiang. Next, prepare the sauce. In a bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine. Two tablespoons of black rice vinegar, one tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of water. And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Stir this really well till all the cornstarch has been dissolved. In a pan over medium heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, carefully put in the tofu. Fry the tofu till it's a little brown. My pan looks a little bit dry, so I'm adding in more oil. After a minute or 2, turn over the tofu. My tofu here is a bit dark. I think I fried it for a bit too long. I don't have extra tofu, so I can't start over for this video. Turn your tofu over and fry the other side. When the other side is brown, remove the tofu. This side is perfect. This is what a little brown should look like. Next, add in some more oil if necessary. Then, fry the aromatics. That's the ginger, garlic, and 1 tablespoon of douban jiang or chili bean paste. Fry all this till it's fragrant. Next, put in the black vinegar sauce. But before you do that, give this sauce a good stir. The cornstarch would have settled at the bottom of the sauce by now. Add in the sauce and bring it to a boil. Then, add in the tofu. Gently mix and coat the tofu with the sauce. Fry this for another 30 seconds or so, and we are done. Garnish this with lots of spring onions. This is tofu in chili bean paste sauce.